Hi friends, it's me, Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today we're going to be making oat flour. I'm going to show you how to make oat flour, and I'll be using my Vitamix blender. If you don't know, I love my Vitamix blender. I did a comparison of 5 different blenders, and my Vitamix blenders won hands down. So if you want to get a Vitamix, I would say right now is the best time during their annual sale. Their Vitamix blenders and their accessories are all on sale. I'll leave my affiliate links below. If you make a purchase through our affiliate link, we do earn a small commission, so thank you for supporting the channel. It helps me bring more videos just like this to you, and we're gonna get started. Whenever I make oat flour, I use gluten-free, and then I also use organic rolled oats. Some use like quick oats. I do not recommend using quick oats. I recommend using good old-fashioned rolled oats and organic if possible. And then if you're gluten-free, you want to go for the gluten-free. They're naturally gluten-free, but if you can't handle any gluten, it's best to get ones that are labeled gluten-free. And then what I do is I just put it in my Vitamix. Vitamix does have dry containers, but I don't find that I need a dry container. Vitamix is so powerful that it actually will drag all of those ingredients down. And then we have our flour. So just one ingredient, obviously, and then a quick blend in our Vitamix, and we have perfect oat flour. You do not need to be buying this stuff. It is so easy to make. We use it for muffins, we use it for pancakes, we use it for smoothies even. It's just a nice way to get extra fiber in. I'm gonna use this tool to really get all of the flour that's stuck on the bottom, because it kind of gets stuck. I wouldn't want to use a spoon there, but using this tool is fine because that's what it's made for. And when I do make this, it always just makes it to the top, which is awesome. There we go. A little bit more in there. There we go. So I have this cool feature on my sink where I can wash jars and stuff, so I'm going to use that. And that rinses it nice and clean. And then I'm going to take this now and put it on my Vitamix with the lid so I can really clean it, and just do it for like 30 seconds. I'm just gonna go to the variable, bring it up. I just always like to start low. And then I'm gonna let that go for 30 seconds. Again, I'm gonna use that rinsing spray feature on my sink because I feel like it just really makes my life easier. Can you see how quick and easy that is? I love that. You could use this as well, but I'm gonna give it a really quick rinse on the outside. I'm gonna let this dry on my drain board. So now I'm gonna give this a good rinse as well. I like to take the top out and rinse that as in addition, and then our Vitamix is completely clean. So here's our flour. It's ready to go in my pantry, and you can use any container you prefer, but it fits really nicely in this container if you're using the whole bag. Now, if you're only needing 1 cup or 2 cups of oat flour, you could just use 1 cup or 2 cups of rolled oats. It's super simple, and I just love that I can use this for muffins. I could use it for breads, pancakes, or even cookies. It's really a versatile ingredient, but you cannot swap it 1-to-1 for flour. So you'll need to follow a recipe, or you'll need to get experimental in the kitchen and see how it works with your recipes. It's awesome to use. It's full of fiber and nutrients, and we love having it in our pantry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will see you guys soon with another delicious tip or recipe. Bye guys.